Powerful healing scriptures. Did you know the Bible is filled with healing promises that still speak powerfully today, physically, emotionally, and spiritually? Here are some of the most powerful healing verses from the Bible to strengthen your faith and bring hope in times of illness or pain. Isaiah 53 verse 5. But he was pierced for our transgressions, he was crushed for our iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed. Jesus' sacrifice opened the door for both spiritual and physical healing. Jeremiah 30:17. But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. God doesn't just patch up, he fully restores. Psalm 147:3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Healing isn't only for the body, it's also for the soul. Exodus 15:26. I am the Lord who heals you. One of God's names is Jehovah Rapha, the Lord who heals. Let these verses sink into your heart and speak them aloud daily as declarations of faith. Healing may not always come the way we expect, but God is always working for our restoration. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for daily Bible Bites. God bless you.